guys, it's Lila with 50 is the new F word, and thanks for joining me today. We're gonna be talking about teeth brightening and what I do to keep my smile bright and healthy. As you guys know, I am 51 years old, and it is hard to find something that can brighten and whiten your teeth without the sensitivity. And because I worry about my enamel at this age, I wanted something that was going to be effective because I don't want to waste my time, but also gentle, I guess. I have found a complete set that covers it all. It comes with the charger, it comes with the mouthpiece and the whitening solution. It's called Aurora Glow. All right, I drink a ton of coffee, and I am not ashamed to say it, but red wine is one of my favorites. So all you do is take the mouth guard here and the solution, and you place a small amount inside. Doesn't take much at all. Okay, so I'm just gonna put that in there. Then stick it in and press the button. And what's great about this is that it will actually turn off after 30 minutes, so you don't even need to set your timer. What I normally do is I do this before bed, and I'll be watching my show in bed and put it in my mouth, and it will just go until it turns off. So let's put it in. All right, I just took it out, and let's see. Let's give them a see. Okay, that is pretty remarkable. That is crazy. White, bright, no sensitivity. My teeth feel wonderful, and that looks great. That I'm 51. This is amazing, you guys. Definitely check it out. It's Auraglow and so easy to use. I just do it when I'm watching TV or drying my hair or whatever. It takes only 30 minutes. And look at this, guys. Look. Did you see the smile? So I've done 7 days, and now I only have to do it every 6 weeks. But after 7 days, I have no sensitivity, you guys. Zero sensitivity, which is, I have to say, I am actually amazed about that. So down below, I have a link to Auraglow and even a code you can get 15% off, but I'm not paid for this. So this is something I truly believe that you need, and to look younger and fresh when you're getting older and you're in your 50s, white teeth is a must. It's a must. And it doesn't take long to take care of yourself, because you know what? You deserve these things. You deserve to feel good, sexy, great, confident, and anything that you can do to achieve that is, in my book, the best thing. And I know after being divorced in my late 40s, well, I guess mid 40s, it took a lot to build up my confidence again. And I'm going to take every opportunity I can. So, all right. Bye, guys.